Hey guys, today we have a video for you if you want to know the secret that will unleash her desire for you. Maybe you're wondering why are some men scoring all the time and I'm here not getting anywhere. Well, this video will explain that to you. I am Céline Remy, the Intimacy Angel.
And I'm Kevin Anthony, the Truth Warrior. And if you've ever wanted a woman to really desire you, like really want you, then make sure that you like, share, and subscribe.
So why do you think that women seem to be attracted towards men that you could qualify as macho, or those that seem to be a little bit more like masculine? Well, it's because they have something that's called the edge.
What is the edge?
Well, what is the edge, right? The edge is not one definition per se, but you have to understand what it means to be a man who's in touch with his edge. Maybe you are a successful businessman and that gives you the edge. Maybe you are a race car driver, or maybe you're a guitar player, or maybe you have a passion, I don't know, maybe you're a scientist who's making crazy discovery. And maybe you're just a boring person in your day life, but your nightlife is something totally different.
The point is that women want to see some sort of passion, some sort of quality. Sometimes, women say, oh, they like dangerous men. It's not so much that they actually want to be in danger, but they like men that are willing to take risks, men that are willing to go after the things they want, whether it's in business or racing or, competitive sports of some sort. It doesn't really matter what it is, but women want that quality in a man.
I like when you said about men that are willing to take risks. It's about not settling. It's about being willing to push beyond the boundaries and beyond the comfort zone and reach for your ultimate potential, what like the man you were meant to be. And that is so attractive. When we see a man who's going for that, we feel attracted to that. And you don't have to be Bruce Lee, you don't have to become an Indiana Jones or get crazy like that. You have to find for yourself what it means.
Absolutely. You could be an accountant by day, or you could just be a typical desk jockey with nothing really special going on in your career, but there's an edge somewhere else. Maybe you're a high-level martial artist after work. You've been training for years, you go to competitions, you have that edge, that desire. It doesn't really matter what you do for a job. And there's so many examples of that. You could, again, have a completely boring day job, day life, but maybe in the evenings, you rock out the local blues club and everybody loves you and they scream your name, right? There has to be some part of your life where you've got that edge. Now, some people maybe are lucky and they have it in everything they do, but most people don't, right? You just need it somewhere. You need to have some passion, some place where you've got that edge, and she will absolutely be attracted to it.
And I want to make a little clarification, because a lot of guys think oh, if I have to have masculine power or be in touch with that sexual energy, it has to be a dark side, it has to be the shadow work. This is not what we are talking about. This is not about being a bad boy or creating that persona. This is something totally different that has to do with your willingness to get into the unknown, to not be on autopilot, because that's when you are able to be into that state. The woman can feel that, and what it does is that when you are on your edge, she is willing to be more open. She'll open up her heart, she'll open up her legs to you, because there is something that when you are willing to live your life at your edge, she'll also be at her own edge of her love, of her ability to receive you. So it's gonna feed the two of you in your relationship and make it for a very, very polarized, attracted relationship and connection.
Oh yes, if you don't have something that gives you an edge, I strongly suggest you go out and find something.
it will make all the difference. So look for it, explore, and it doesn't matter if you haven't found it, just the fact that you're willing to push outside of your comfort zone and explore is edgy and is a great start. So think it through, have fun with it, experiment, live fully at your edge. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope it was helpful, and we will be seeing you in our next video.
Research suggests CBD products may improve libido by reducing anxiety. And no, CBD is not psychoactive. It does not get you high. A recent survey of 5,398 Americans from Remedy Review, a website that focuses on CBD and natural health remedies, found that 9.3% of respondents have taken CBD for sex. The majority of those respondents said their orgasms were more intense after taking CBD. If you are interested in experimenting with CBD in your sex life, I have found a top quality CBD product for you. Their full spectrum CBD comes from premium, sustainably farmed hemp plants, which are processed in the United States. Plus, they have no harmful solvents, chemicals, toxic compounds, or impurities. To get up to 51% off while supplies last, go to CelineRemy.com/go/CBD or click on the link below.